Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add a city clock widget to the home screen on iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. Now first let's swipe up at the bottom of the screen to go back to your home screen. Then on the home screen, go to a blank home screen page that you want to add the widget, and then touch and hold. Next, tap on the add button at the top. And in here, you want to swipe down and tap on clock. Next, this is the city clock. And what you want to do is touch and hold on the widget and then drag it out onto your home screen and let go. Now, if this is not the home screen that you want to place it, you can move it to another screen like here. Once you are happy with it, you can tap on the done button. Otherwise, you can also tap on the remove button to remove the widget. So I'm going to tap on done now. Okay, at the moment it is using the default city. If you want to change the clock city, what you want to do is touch and hold on the widget and then tap on edit widget. Next, in here you tap on the city, and in here you can choose a different city. So I want to choose San Francisco. So tap in San Francisco and then just tap anywhere outside the box to save the changes. And that's it. So that's how you can add a city clock widget to the home screen on iPhone 12 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.